Hi guys, this is Vaishnavi and welcome back to our channel. Today we are doing this hot pink summer makeup look because this summer hot pink is going to be very much in trend. So that's why, and to know how to achieve this look, please keep watching.
So for the primer, I'm using this Mama Earth Skin Illuminating Face Serum to make my skin look more hydrated. And now for the concealer, I'm using this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Honey, and I'm applying it on my usual areas. And this is the best concealer for the summer. The staying power of this concealer is insane. I just don't want my skin to look too much that it has too much makeup on, but I just want it to look more skin like. Now for the foundation, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 128, and I'm using this foundation because it has SPF in it, but you can use any tinted moisturizer or any tinted SPF. I'm just combing my brows. I'm not going to fill them in with anything. Now for the eyes, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Creative Volume 1 palette, and I'm going to take this fuchsia shade and I'm packing that on my lower part of my eyelid until I'm happy with the color payout. But I'm going to use this palette for majority of my face, but if you don't have this palette, you can use any bright pink fuchsia blush for this. Now for the another palette, I'm using this Maybelline Blush Nude palette. I'm taking the second shade from the top and I'm applying it on my whole eyelid because the shimmer of this palette are not that insanely pigmented, so it will make your eyes look more dewy and more awake. And I'm just blending that into my brow bone, so my whole face will look flawless and fresh. And now I'm just applying some mascara from Maybelline as well, and my whole eye look is complete. Now I'm setting my face with some Makeup Revolution Banana palette and I'm applying it all over my face, not just where I have applied my concealer. And now I'm taking this Flawless shade from the same Makeup Revolution palette and I'm applying it as a contour. If you don't want to look like you have a contour going on, this is your color, like this is your perfect shade. And now I'm taking the same fuchsia pink shade and I'm applying it as a blush because I don't have any fuchsia pink blush, and this is the perfect dupe for the Rare Beauty one, and it blends beautifully. This is one of my favorite palettes, so you're going to see this palette a lot on my channel. And now for the highlighter, I'm using the same Skin Illuminator face serum and I'm applying it on my usual areas because I want my skin to look like I'm glowing from within. That's why I'm using this. I just don't want any points to be highlighted like that. And now for the lips, I'm using this Maybelline lip liner. This has discontinued long time ago, so you can use any light brown lip liner for this look, and I'm just lining my lips with it. For the lipstick, I'm using the Spec Retro Matte Mini in the shade Sprinkle, and I'm applying it with the help of lip brush because it is a matte lipstick and I don't want my lips to look crusty at the end of the day. But with this buffing technique, it's going to last for the whole day and it's not going to get crusty at all because this is the highly pigmented color and it will look too much if I'm going to apply directly on my lips. This is it, guys. This is the final look. The earrings are from West Side and this is the perfect summer glow fuchsia pink kind of a look with a minimal product. And I hope this helps, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such easy makeup looks because your subscription is motivation to me. Bye.